Definitely going to leak from the gasket. 100% going to leak from the gasket. Hello everybody, welcome back to the mini adventure. What we're going to be doing today, it's been raining and snowing and I've been ill and all the other crap no one cares about. But I've just been doing some work on some other cars and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do what I was planning to do before, which is just, I've took the thermostat out. Where is it? Oh, here it's on the floor. So I took the thermostat out. So basically it was overheating when I was at the MOT test station, which was on a previous video. So here's the old thermostat. I mean, it's not looking the best. And obviously we've got a new thermostat, but I'm not going to put the thermostat in just yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together without a thermostat and then see if it runs and keeps cool and everything like that. Probably. If it does, then great, then we can put the new thermostat in. If it's still overheating and bubbling and all sorts of crap, then we know we're going to have a bigger issue to play with. So the kit I got it from like Motorserve, like a local independent place, which I get them all. But it looks pretty similar. But I get like loads of gaskets, which is a bit disappointing. I wanted to get like the right one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these just as a seal for the bottom, and then I'm going to use an awesome old one for the top. I know it's obviously not the best, but it's only because I don't want to waste the good ones on the test run. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to put this on here. Like that. I have given it a clean up already. There we go. Okay, I'll go take that out of the way. Alright, well. So here we go, here's our thermostat housing. It's not looking the greatest. Try and give it a clear out the pipe that goes to the returns to the reservoir. So that pipe seems to be completely blocked in there, which is obviously the like return feeds to the expansion tank. Now I feel like it probably should. Right, now we've got some return flow as well. That might be positive. And if it can get it running, then obviously I'll do a coolant flush on it all, with some proper chemical stuff. But right, so that's positive. Now we've got at least a bit of return flow. We've got the crappy gasket on there, and then we'll put this crappy gasket. Yeah, we'll put this one on. Put this one on top. Right. Bolts. We'll bolt it all back down. So we need that to go there like that. I'll tell you what, I've cut my leg. I know I've cut my leg on the bloody broken bit on the side there. Okay, right. So put that in there, put that in there, put that in there. There we go. It's probably going to leak like you won't believe, but who cares in the interim. Put that back on there. Put this back on here. I'm going to probably roll it outside a little bit. That's done up. That's done up. Right, we need some water. Water! Start filling it up and see what happens, I suppose. I'm not filling it up with screen wash, I'm just using it a bottle, alright? So everyone starts commenting. Definitely going to leak from the gasket. 100% going to leak from the gasket. I can already see it seeping out. Need the battery pack because it just doesn't start. We definitely need another battery for it. Come on, baby. back to the non-starting issue again. I know. If in doubt, give it a spray. Just a little one. Just a little one. Making a lot of noise, wasn't it? A lot of noise. One thing not running, and there's another thing running, you know, revving its tits off at 3,000 RPM when it's stone cold and hasn't ran in 5 years. So I think we'll give it a minute. It wasn't doing that before. Not leaking too bad though for my makeshift / gaskets. Right, calm down. Water circulation is really circulating now, I can see it. And the expansion tank's getting warm. Shall I say again? Right. So, water is definitely circulating, but it's not going into the heater matrix for some reason. So if anybody can help me out and tell me where the feed in from the thermostat, where the feed in to the heater matrix inside goes. Is it the one that's coming off from the back of the thermostat housing, or is it the one coming off the back of the water pump? I think it might be a blockage in the heater matrix because all the pipes going to it at a point are warm. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use some Winds Rad Flush. There we go, we're going to use some of this Winds Rad Flush to restore effective cooling, improve the heating performance, high performance. Powerful acid-free radiator cleaner, removes scale, eliminates rust deposits and oil residues. Excellent performance for OAT coolant. So, safe on all material, metals and hoses and cooling system. Adds to the bottle of the cooling system expansion tank. Blah blah, warm the engine up, leave the engine idle for 10 minutes. Stop and allow it to cool down and drain the system. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do that now. Okay, we'll plonk that in there. And then put the cap on. And we'll leave it running for 10 minutes. Time now, 13:44. See you in 10, oh, stop it. Right, so the 10 minutes is up. The never-ending fan. So, running for 10 minutes. Perfectly. Warm. Warm. I know it's been circulating nice. All looks pretty bubbly and horrible in there. So, let's leave it to cool, I think. Right, so I think ideally we have identified that a thermostat was the problem, which is amazing news, which means we don't have a head gasket issue. What I'll do, no one cares, I will install this one, and then, yeah, that's it really. We'll work on to the next one. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you when we do the next bit, which is probably going to be the full service, because it needs to be done. I want to get the engine spot on, and then we can work on the welding from that. Thanks for watching.